Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Mairang Presbyterian Science College Mairang kabadon ha kasnong sangsyong kabadairu tangmaka ka Science College kabadon ha Eastern West Khasi Hills District Hadien ki khanyo Snem bakala yang rasong bantbe jingsyai ya ka dong katany klem kano ka jingyarap na ka sorkar ha ka ba ya ka tulop bad ya kiwei ki jingpenlut la kersyan borba da ka Mairang Presbytery ha ka laipok tarik unai wing arhajar arpulai kalayo ban Plie saya ka BA Honors Course. Ya kani ka BA Honors Course lawan ban Plie da minister badai kmi ya katanat Plie puti ka sorkar jela urakam sangma ubalasam ya ki khusnam syaki prangut ki samla Plie ki bala pas bha ya ka class 12 bad ya ka graduate ki bala yo ru ban rung ha ka top 10 ha ki examine bala pelong da ka embos bad ka nehu. Ki wei pat ki balai don lang ha kani ka sngi ki kentup yo ba HM Shangpliang uba bat scam rentetiang MDC ka Mairang Nongklau constituency ka kong bio lenda lengdok nonglait utemen basan di rentetiang moderator ka Mairang Presbytery ki pastor ka Mairang Presbytery kentup ya ki nong yalam na ka jingeseng samla bat jingeseng kentai ki dekot ka governing body ki sordash nong nalor ki wei ki bala syakot ngobha bat la pen syongkun syongsbai ya ka program hagani ka sngi da ki jingruai bat ki jingshat.
Today, we mark this historical event. But we ya kecunang roy, John the school to me, not away to force at away part. But we to play ro, ya kito ki samla, ki kena school, ki bami nangi, ki balik ha, ha kecing puli. But kali kapan kemau, but kecing juni habang idon hanglu, habang ay kaphatam, ni kecing kabatip brio kabatip play. Kata kecing job songi, ni saw batang mengi ki berjob. Arai kenau bahalet joka, kadon kecing terpuye ki wepat. Len ba job ki samla puli, ki balayo priang, ia kecing tinan puram ha kini kesini. Lapan long ia kepercayai bakan tip, ia kini ke school jongi. Jong ka Mairang Presbytery kini ke college jongi, bakalong ke berjob. Namar betanga terpat ipi ki kena school. Baka jing jongi habang ke jing ka batresitom ka jing ka minat thok ni ublai ai ke chu ka talen ye ke jing ke jongi ada sisian bang ai ka baphatam kan don bai ka impact lani ka blessing ka ba ki wei ki yo ma mangingi la anung tip ye kata ada len ba jong ki khana school pinang ra ye ka purom jauh dari school tu, but kumju ni hak percaya kabalong ka competition kabah kau kado kata kabang yoi ba ni don kam sisa ya kecing tresitom, but don kebunga hak kecing jungi barang idon ya ka strong determination hak karai hak kecing jungi kabang marwai. Pilong kecing terku, sisa, ya kalawai, ladang liya kunta.
We understand how the private stakeholders are doing their best to bring up the education in the state of Meghalaya. Nalu hajar khagai hadu kunta in Shumdon iway, isamla khasi. Na Jingïaid garo papasik IAS. Tekalong dari kerdo, ni don kam ikikon samla juni bakindam le asu. Kane kate ke job ki competition. Lashay habadon ki CUET exam, ki don kiwei kerja exam juga hab like online. Kita baru kita competitive exams kebangi.com bangin tiblet bangin yo ke jingtip kelum kalau general knowledge yang kita jumpi. So therefore It is an opportunity for young people here. Ba kidei bakin ship ya kani ka kabu ya kani kala. Ba enroll ya kani yaladero kakum ka new education policy. Ba rekan ba ka science subject kin ship ya ki art subject. Kanang ba anda bila pass ya the degree of the kan long the jing employee yang ka jumpi.
The quality of the church, the quality of any institutions does not measure with the size of the buildings and with the size of the students and the congregation. But the quality of any institutions and the church, we can say, is a testimony of the blessing, the testimony of the commitment to us in the behind the scene and who have sacrificed for the cause. I think today, I'm pleased and I'm honored to present the award, and would like to congratulate the college, the staff, and my dear students who have performed well in the various academics, session, and examination in the previous years. And it's a testimony of this college. And it's my prayer that our young boys and girls, those who have received their words today, it's a testimony of the commitment of this college and of your service and your sacrifice. And it's my prayer and my request that you continue to sign and the testimony be inspired to many across the globe. The new education policy has given you the forum that you can choose any department, any subject. And I'm thankful to this college for understanding the niche of the students. Therefore, this new education policy has come in just to bring up the standard of the knowledge. The house, the power of knowledge. We have many potential students, but not able to produce the best. Therefore, my young students, I want to request each one of you, let us be the best among the best. And therefore, the government of Meghalaya Education Department is also going to introduce many different subjects and many different disciplines. And among them, we want our children, the students from our state, to learn more local contents. As a Kasi students, wish everybody should know about our culture, our practice, our drills, what we speak, how we dance. I think every students must be able to know our traditional dances, traditional practice, traditional different what activities that we have. Therefore, in order to present ourselves the asset that we have, it is our responsibility. Therefore, with the mission of local to the global, we must present our culture, the tradition to the global standard. Therefore, let everyone at the global stage must learn about our culture too. Traditional research is also the subject that we have to explore more. Government of Meghalaya will be having the state curriculum framework in the coming days, where there is the roadmap, the complete comprehensive curriculum for all stages, beginning from elementary to the higher education. And we are incorporating the suggestion of the national level and the international level, so that the state curriculum framework and the curriculum of the Meghalaya state will be the unique and one among the best in the country. So you have requested for inclusion for People College, some adopt program, but I want to assure you today that government will examine your prayer, your request on the positive note, and because there are many colleges has requested for the People College and some adopt program, but definitely we are examining the request and with the proper process, in due course of time, we will examine and will let you know. But definitely, your prayer and your memorandum will be addressed.
From Mathematics Department. Mana from Mathematics Department is clearing 10%. This is Alan Donald Carmelo. We have next Sarah Sanija in different science subject, and it is interesting to note that